How to download ClipChamp on iOS. So if you have an iPhone and you want to download Microsoft ClipChamp on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if none of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. To download and install Microsoft ClipChamp on your iPhone or iOS, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the App Store app on your iPhone. Now, once open the App Store on your iPhone, click on the Spotlight search at the bottom right. Then here, you want to search for ClipChamp by Microsoft. So you see Microsoft ClipChamp. Then this is video editor with AI. Then go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you should see the download button. Go ahead, click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, you'll be prompted to either press the side button twice or confirm your fingerprint, or better still, type your Apple account password. Then go ahead, type in your Apple account password. Once you type your Apple account password, hang on while the ClipChamp application installed on your iPhone. And once the process is completed, go ahead and click on open. Then this is how the ClipChamp app is. See that? So you can now start to use this as your video editing app. So it's the Microsoft video editor app, so you can just go ahead, download and install it on your iPhone. So that is basically how to download ClipChamp Microsoft on iOS. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.